How to convert currencies in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to convert money inside your Wise account, well, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to convert currencies instantly using the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you just need to tap on the balance tab and you'll see the multiple currencies available in your Wise account. So there you can choose the currency that you want to convert from, and after that you can just tap on convert. And now you just have to pick the currency you want to transfer or convert to, and after that you just have to enter the amount that you want to convert. And after that, Wise will instantly show you the real-time exchange rate, conversion fees, and how much you will get. And after that, you just need to review the details, and here if everything looks good, you just need to tap on convert to complete the transaction. And that's it. Now your new currency balance will update instantly and you can use it to spend a cent. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.